Earn money with non-phone online jobs from home. Are you seriously considering a non-phone work from home job? Fortunately, there are numerous non-telephone options that one can browse. Look at the best non-phone occupations in this video. These options are open to all freelancers, work-at-home mothers, remain-at-home fathers, and youngsters. And that's only the tip of the iceberg. Let's get going. Here's a list of top hiring companies and job profiles for you. Number 1. Transcribe Me. Composing positions is probably the simplest way of bringing in cash online, without chatting on the telephone. Translate Me is a fledgling record site that has been around since 2006. Candidates should be 18 or more seasoned, have fast web quality earphones, and a decent comprehension of the English language. Be familiar. Candidates are expected to take and breeze through a composing assessment prior to getting employed. Hours are adaptable, yet laborers should resolve to shifts: early morning, day shift, evening shift, end of the week shift. Number 2. Daily Transcription. Everyday Transcription is a famous web-based US record organization. With them, you would make your own timetable, and you'd be dealing with an independent/worker for hire premise where you can decide your own schedule. Everyday Transcription pays its representatives week by week. When you get employed, you get preparing and training alongside input on how things are coming your way. Top transcriptionists in the organization procure between $250 to $950 each week. Go here to peruse the full survey and apply on the web. Number 3. Appen. Appen, previously known as LeapForce, is a web index evaluator organization that pays around $13 each hour. This is one of the top real non-telephone telecommute occupations since it's simple and clear. A web crawler evaluator is somebody who breaks down web search tool results to decide whether they're sufficiently pertinent to help web clients. As not out of the ordinary, you really want phenomenal web research abilities and scientific capacities to meet all requirements for the gig. You likewise should be no less than 18 years of age and have outstanding perception and compose relational abilities. To get more familiar with the position and to apply, click here. Number 4. Time Etc. Time Etc. is a strong choice in the event that you're hoping to accomplish a menial helper turnout online for clients. A remote helper or VA performs virtual secretary undertakings that range anywhere from planning online entertainment refreshes, sending solicitations, and browsing messages, to carrying out the groundwork and helping with showcasing efforts. Time Etc. gives valuable chances to independent VAs to acquire reliable work with quality clients and assemble their abilities. By working with Time Etc., you'll appreciate benefits like ensured fixed time-based compensation rates, no offering or composing vast recommendations, no abroad contest, ordinary continuous work from clients you know and trust. Number 5. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the most famous stock photograph organizations around. Many individuals go to Shutterstock for their video and picture needs. Bloggers will more often than not utilize stock photographs a ton, alongside whatever individual who possesses a site and delivers content. Assuming you like to take quality pictures, you can bring in cash by selling them on Shutterstock. Each time the picture or video you gave is downloaded, you'll procure a commission. The amount you procure per download relies upon which membership and permit were utilized for each image or video download and your profit level. Your lifetime income with the organization factor into the rate you get for downloads. Lifetime profit is in 4 levels: $0 to $500, $500 to $3,000, $3,000 to $10,000, and $10,000 plus. Throughout recent years, Shutterstock has paid out almost a portion of $1 million to its givers. Joining the group would permit you to exhibit your work to a great many individuals all over the planet. Number 6. The Chat Shop. In the event that you're searching for adaptable, non-telephone work-at-home positions, working in the web-based visit space could be a strong other option. Live talk highlights are well known among organizations with an internet-based presence. Rather than giving client support on the telephone, you can do it from your PC by doing a live visit with clients or possibilities. The chat shop pays around $10 each hour and expects applications to finish an evaluation assessment, complete a telephone interview, and have references checked and confirmed prior to coming ready. Number 7. VIP Kid. Do you really want to be educated? VIP Kid can furnish you with an opportunity to instruct at home. With this organization, you can procure up to $22 in 60 minutes. The enlistment cycle is straightforward and you can make up your own hours. Would you need to show kids or grown-ups? You have the decision. There's a lot of work presented with both. On the off chance that you at any point run into any issues, VIP Kid offers every minute of everyday support for your specialized or general inquiries. You would join more than 46,000 educators in 117 nations currently ready. Number 8. Transcription for Everyone. Record for Everyone is a locally suited record and altering organization permitting you to earn enough to pay the bills right from your PC at home. You will be approached to decipher a wide range of sounds, including clinical and legitimate. As indicated by their site, candidates should have solid and general PC information, explicitly in Word, email, and internet perusing, high language structure and exploration capacities, spelling of formal people, places, or things, capacity to advance freely and acknowledge analysis to further develop your work quality, driven and persuaded for a drawn-out profession in record. Number 9. BABBLETYPE. BABBLETYPE is looking for people to join their group of transcriptionists. All you would have to get everything rolling is a couple of earphones, a web association, and a PC. The organization works on an everyday task cycle. You pursue work whenever before 4 p.m. every day, and all tasks are expected by a similar time the next day. The week's worth of work would begin each Sunday night and go through the next Sunday. BABBLETYPE will send you a report of what they owe you next Wednesday. You then, at that point, get compensated from PayPal. Number 10. User Testing. User testing pays website testers to visit sites or portable applications, complete a bunch of undertakings, and talk their considerations out loud. The compensation is $10 for at regular intervals tests sent by means of PayPal. Concerning necessities, you will require a PC or Mac, web association, and should be something like 18 years old with information on English punctuation. A list of specific skill-based jobs you can take up. Number 1. Bookkeeper. In the event that numbers and association energize you, accounting might be definitely a good fit for you. Help entrepreneurs arrange and include their month-to-month pay and costs. A portion of these organizations require insight or a bookkeeping degree to apply. Look at them for additional subtleties. Number 2. Chat agents. Do you appreciate helping individuals yet rather not chat on the telephone? Then give client support details by means of live talk, web-based entertainment, and email. Most organizations expect people to be capable typists with phenomenal spelling and language structure. With this non-telephone work, positions fluctuate enormously. Some are autonomous contracting jobs, and others are full-time positions. Number 3. Information Entry Clerk. The information section is one of the most well-known work-at-home positions I get inquiries concerning. I'm reluctant to incorporate a portion of these gigs since they pay close to nothing. I'm talking pennies per report. Yet here are a few spots where you can secure information section positions. Now and again, you'll have to offer authoritative types of assistance notwithstanding information passage. Number 4. Independent Writer. One of the most incredible non-telephone occupations is independent composition. Individuals are continuously searching for skilled essayists to compose blog entries, pamphlets, articles, promoting duplicate awards, and thus considerably more. You can look for occupations on a portion of the significant independent locales. Or you can pitch your bloggers and organizations that have websites and consistently need new content. Number 5. Complete short tasks. Short undertakings or miniature errands are exactly what they sound like. Occupations that require some investment to finish, frequently just minutes. Payouts and capabilities, watching recordings, writing the web, testing sites, taking reviews, understanding messages, and playing computer games differ significantly. The decent thing about short errands is the vast majority of them should be possible on your cell phone during your extra time, making it an incredible method for bringing in some additional cash. Number 6. Use smartphone apps. You can definitely relax with this one. You're not chatting on the telephone, but rather utilizing its advanced abilities to bring in cash. These days, the online contest is wild, so organizations are getting inventive with how they arrive at purchasers. Rather than spending promoting dollars on customary publicizing, brands are contacting purchasers in extraordinary ways, such as cell phone applications. The extraordinary thing about utilizing your cell phone to bring in cash is there are genuine client surveys for each application, so you can find out which ones are genuine and which ones to avoid. Number 7. Paid surveys. There are many genuine sites where you can express your impression in return for money, rewards, and sweepstakes sections. While you won't get rich from partaking in studies, it is a pleasant method for sharing your considerations on items and administrations, and you'll get remuneration for your time. Number 8. Typographer. Do you have incredible listening abilities? Could it be said that you are a quick and precise typist? Then assist organizations with deciphering sound records into composed reports. With record work, you're not paid by the worked minute, yet rather by the sound moment. A transcriptionist who is capable typically has a 3-to-1 circle back rate, implying that it takes them 3 minutes to create 1 moment of deciphered sound. Most record occupations are independent positions, so you'll be answerable for covering independent work charges. However, you get to make your own timetable, and no telephone work is required. Working on the web is a decent chance for making additional money in any event for individuals with no related knowledge of the above sites. With this tremendous rundown of sites where one can secure work-from-home positions where you don't need to utilize the telephone, there are various choices to browse. The rundown probably won't be thorough, yet it is a decent reference highlight to start from. Acquiring internet working open doors as a consultant through various different platforms is conceivable. When you know what to search for on the web, you can feel free to find an internet-based open door that is applicable to your abilities. That's all from today's video. We hope you found favorable options from this rundown that can help you start making easy money. Hit the like button and subscribe for such content daily. Thank you guys!